Hi everyone, it's Lisa Brown with Ink and Inspirations. I'm an independent demonstrator with Stampin' Up! And in this video, I just wanted to answer a question that I received probably more than any other question, and that's about our black inks and when to use Memento ink and when to use StazOn. Now they're both black inks, and I will tell you for black basic stamping, I always go to the Memento. It is a dye ink, which means it's not permanent, and when you are coloring with Stampin' Blends or alcohol markers, you want to use this type ink, a dye ink, so that the alcohol and the ink makeup don't mix and smear. So with this, like if I'm coloring with my Stampin' Blends, I'll stamp my image in Memento Tuxedo Black, and then I can color with the alcohol markers and it'll work just fine. Now, if I'm going to watercolor or add moisture to anything, such as if I'm stamping an image and I'm going to use an aqua painter, a paintbrush with water, a blender pen that has that clear liquid in there that smooths color around, you would want to use the Jet Black StazOn. It's a solvent ink. It's permanent. And both of them are acid-free, but this is also archival safe, okay? So I would feel comfortable using it in a scrapbook for it to remain over time. Now, with this, you would not use your Stampin' Blends or any alcohol marker because it would smear, okay? So this is just when you're watercoloring on watercolor paper or any type of cardstock where you can watercolor that will hold the water, but it won't smear because you're using this solvent permanent ink. You can also use StazOn on non-porous surfaces like glass and tiles, and so lots of uses there, but two basic inks, two different uses. I hope that helps. If you have any questions, leave it here below the video, and I'll see you again soon. Take care. Bye-bye.